Bro, are you serious? How you gon' beg me to stay when you ain't like me that way? Should've minded your business. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be taking my braids out and transitioning into a wig. Yeah, like it's time for these to go. They're old. And so yeah, I'm just gonna be running through my braid takedown routine and how I prep for my wigs. So when I'm doing my braid takedown, I always start by cutting it. That's like typical. Make sure you always cut a cute length because you never know what you're gonna have to do, and also get you some good scissors because as you can see, mine are trash. Bro, are you serious? Like, seriously? Oh my god, man. You know, something told me to get a new pair of scissors. Unbelievable. Oh my god, y'all. No, these are cute. Wait, this is cute. This is cute. I might want to keep these. I low-key want to keep these in. Wait a minute. These are cute. All right. So yeah, I always cut like I always cut my hair at a cute length because you never know when somebody's gonna interrupt you and when you're gonna have to go to the store or anything. And I hate being in public looking crazy, so I always cut it like a cute length. You know, that's like presentable, just in case I have to go somewhere. But next, yeah, I just started taking them out. And my hair is shorter than what I cut, but I'm not letting y'all know how short my hair is because it's embarrassing. But yeah, so I just started taking them out. Y'all, I low-key don't want to take these out, but next time I do braids, which probably won't be long because I can never stick to one style, I'm definitely doing a bob because this is cute and it's shorter and like it'll take less time. Noted. But yeah, I'm still on this first braid. So we just gonna fast forward. Before I like take the braid down, what I do is I take a section and put this up. I take a section and I just spray my hair so all that dirt and stuff will like loosen up. Spray my hair with water. A good amount, and then I take some leave-in conditioner and just rub it in there so there's more slip when I'm taking it out and it's not all dry. And it comes right out. Then I spray the piece of real hair of mine to get that little knot, that dirt clump, to try to loosen that up a little bit. And I just comb that out and make sure it's all detangled. See, there's a little bit of shedding. And see, when you come across like one that's like really locked up, you gotta work it and like wet it up and kind of pull it apart. Like, one of the reasons why when I was younger I lost so much hair when I would get braids is because whoever was my hairdresser who used to take them out, she used to just comb from here and just rip the hair out. But you gotta like work with it. You cannot rip from the roots. Like, hence why she's not my hairdresser anymore. But working that knot and spraying it with water and product is going to make the hair not come out as much. That was a terribly formed sentence. Okay. But when I'm doing my hair, like, I can't speak. You know, I gotta focus. So as I'm going, I just make sure all this is detangled as I'm going, because you don't want to have to go back. So here's me with half my head done. Honestly, I was so tired already. Like, it's a whole sport doing natural hair. So make sure you got some strong arms. Had to eat me something because it was just like, I can't even talk about it, y'all. Like, taking braids down is a whole task. So yeah, now that I'm done taking the braids out, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. And my shampoo is nothing special, but for conditioner I use Mane & Choice. And yeah, I'm so tired. Like, that was a whole task. That took me forever, y'all. And my hair's not even that long. That's my thing. Like, my hair don't even be that long for it to take so long to do things. But anyway, I'll be back after I wash my hair. Damn, something biting me. Oh my god, y'all. I started taking my braids out, I think at 6 p.m. and it's midnight. Washed my hair, blow dried it, braided it back, which my mom hasn't done my hair since I was a child, and that was just traumatic for me. Like, I can't even bend my neck. Like, can't even bend it. But like I've said this before in my Ms Lynn hair review, I don't put effort into these wigs. I just don't. Like, I know I should. I'm not gonna do the ball cap method. I'm just gonna slap this wig on, and see what we can do. Ugh. This is my Ms Lynn wig. And honestly, it's in bad shape. It is in terrible shape. Honestly, what's going on? This part. This is not it at all. This is terrible. I hate this for me. Like, what is the part doing? Hey y'all, so it's like, I think 2 days after I took my braids out, and this is what the wig looks like now. I gave myself some baby hairs, and yeah, I was supposed to document me doing all that, but I just did not have the patience. Like, I really was about to throw this wig in the trash. And an update about the Ms Lynn hair, I probably won't ever get their hair again. Just because it's like split ends. Like, the split ends start like right here, which makes no sense. But anyway, yeah, this is the final look. The baby hairs are a little thick, but that was my first time doing baby hairs on a wig, honestly. But it looks decent, you know. It's not the look I want. Like, I really want a slayed wig, but that's too expensive, and I'm still learning about these. But yeah, this is the end. It's the final result. Yesterday I had laid the wig down with Got To Be, and it stayed on for a decent amount of time, but I was riding my bike. I think I rode 2 miles on a bike. So obviously it sweated out, but I had a hat on. And I also went to the gym. So just keep that in mind when you're doing wigs. Like, you're gonna have to like reapply when you do Got To Be glue. Like, if you use the bolt hold, you could probably do whatever, but I don't trust myself with bolt hold. I don't put glue near my edges because I am trying to grow my hair out, and I don't want anything to deter or stunt my growth. So I always just use Got To Be, because it's not even that serious anyway, because we're in a pandemic and you're really not going anywhere. This is really just for myself. Like, I just want to practice this. So yeah, it's a final look. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.